out for my run. Went down to the Sunset Station. Yeah, all that ice is about 5 days old. None of it was really there up until a matter of days ago. So looks like the cold shock is here. We'll see how long it stays. About mile 2.5. I'll keep updating you. I'll see you at 8 or 9. Woo! It's pretty crazy when you can see your own tracks from about 3 days ago. I guess that's one perk of winter. It's hard to find some others sometimes, but...
In talking about winter, I forgot to mention a very key part, Mount Bohemia. That's where I spend most of my time. This is a very small part at night, and it doesn't do it justice at all. But that's what I had on hand, so hope you enjoyed it.
It's not all that sunny, but there's enough sun out, enough blue sky. This is great. Feeling good. I found some other tracks. I'm about 3 miles away from where I was. They're the same tracks. Looks like someone else is getting to be their best self too. 5.5 miles in. I'm running into wind. This has not been paved.
I meant to say plowed.
This part's not my favorite part of the run. Whew. Can't even see the half mile to the pier. It's crazy out here. All of a sudden wind came in, snow came in. Well, good thing I only got 1.5 miles left. Woo!
Talking with Mom, so I didn't record what's in it, but it's banana, some spinach, blueberries, applesauce, orange juice, and then I still gotta put a pear in, but I'm gonna blend this up first, so you'll get to see. I added the sliced pear and Huel. Huel is a great food. It's a great meal replacer. It's made of soy, oats, coconut, flax, and a couple other. Here you get to see me set my phone down, forget that it's still on, and then press my lips, as I always do. Yep. I didn't take video of me saying how good it was, but it was great. So yeah.